Hi all, this limit is problem is appeared in 2017 paper where it says that x tends to pi by 2 and pi minus 2x in the denominator, right? So here to solve this problem, first we consider that let pi minus 2x is equal to y. So therefore we can say that x tends to pi by 2 definitely imply that y tends to 0. So that's it. And also we are saying that from this line we can say that x is equal to pi by 2 minus y by 2. So therefore the given limit, now let's replace that y tends to 0. We have pi minus 2x, so therefore we just consider it as y, so y cube, and we have cot x. So just write that cot, what is x? X is equal to pi by 2 minus y by 2. Minus we have that cos x. So cos x is equal to cos pi by 2 minus y by 2. That's it. Now as it is a pi by 2, we can easily apply the complementary angle concept. So therefore we can say that our problem is now limited to tan y by 2 minus sin y by 2 divided by y cube. So sin y by 2 can easily be written as sin x by cos x, right? So therefore sin y by 2 taken common. So if I take a common of sin y by 2, we can say that limit y tends to 0. Take sin y by 2 common. So we'll have that 1 minus cos y by 2 minus 1 divided by y cube. So therefore, if I consider the limit as L now, so therefore this L limit can also be written out as limit y tends to 0 sin y by 2. In a bracket we can add them together. So 1 minus cos y by 2 divided by y cube into cos y by 2. That's it. So this is the limit we have now, okay? That's it. Now see that if I substitute y equal to 0, obviously these values are not done, right? It is 0 by 0 form only. But still see that this cos y by 2 term, right, can be easily removed because this is 1, right? Cos 0, okay? And also this sign can be easily converted to sine. So let's go ahead. So therefore we'll say that that's limit imply that limit y tends to 0 sin y by 2 1 minus 1 plus 2 sine square y by 4 divided by y cube into cos y by 2. So 1 get cancelled and this can be easily written as limit y tends to 0 sin y by 2 multiplied by 2, so 2 taken out at the beginning, we will have sine square y by 4 divided by y cube and cos y by 2. That's it. Now see that for this particular problem, now we can apply the standard limit. Why? See that sin y by 2y, we can play with that, and also we can play with that sine square. So sin y by square by 4. See, y cube can be included inside. So let's go ahead. So therefore this limit can easily be written as, first we write the cos y by 2 term. So limit y tends to 0 1 by cos y by 2. We can calculate that multiplied by limit y tends to 0 sin y by 2 divided by y by 2. That's it. So that we can write. So also then we need to multiply by 2. Multiply by 1 by 2, so we can write it as half, right? So therefore we can see that here we divide forcefully by 1 by 2, so we multiplied by y by 2, and that y, it came from that y cube term. So this became now y square, okay? So therefore we can multiply again by multiplied by limit y tends to 0. Let's write down that as sine square y by 4 divided by y by 4 into 1 by 4 Now let's plate it as whole square. Okay, so that's it. So that's actually solved the problem. Now each and everything can be calculated separately. Let's go ahead. So therefore for the first limit, right, we can easily say that this is y tends to 0. So therefore cos y by 2. So 1 by 1, because cos 0 is equal to 1 multiplied by. Now see that what we have, limit y tends to 0, sine y by 2 divided by y by 2. That's sine y by 2 divided by y by 2. So this value always gives me 1, right? So let's write down 1 itself. Multiplied by, we have half. Now it multiplied by, obviously we have that y by 4 by y by 4. That's limit will gives me 1, and obviously we have 1 by 4 multiplication, that's whole square. So that's the final limit. Okay, so if I calculate that, we can see that final value that gives me actually 1 by 16 here. Okay, so here I just made a small mistake. See that this 2 I missed from this in this line, right? So I just forget to write that 2. So therefore it will be 2 here, and then I just write 2 here, and then we'll obviously get the answer. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's the problem. So see that by this kind of manipulation, right, we can use lot of standard limit like sin x by x, tan x by x, and all the stuff to get our problem done. Okay, so therefore for this problem, obviously option B is the correct choice, and that's it. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you.